everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I am going to be doing a swatch and review of the new SANNE Nude Jelly Polish collection. This is a 12-piece collection. I've seen it advertised on the Instagram and it looks really nice. I've just recently done a swatch and review of another collection from SANNE. I will leave it at the top here and in the description box if you'd like to check that out. But their gel polishes are really nice and really affordable and I really like them, so I'm very excited to swatch these today and see what they are like. What you see here, like literally this box is tiny and I really like that because I thought you'd never fit more than a 6-piece collection in here. There is 12 gel polish bottles in here and they have done a great job at keeping the packaging nice and compact, which I like. There's no need for massive packaging, so I really like the fact that they have made this really small and compact. It's just all round better for the environment, and yeah, I really like the cute little box. Really do, I really like it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be diving in, I'm going to swatch all these, seeing what they're like. I'm just giving you guys my all-round opinion. I have been sent these for a review, but all opinions are my own. I'll always be honest about them. But like I always say, like, I've tested SANNE products before and I really liked them last time. So I have good faith that I will like these too. But let's crack on and start swatching these. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Very simplistic, very basic, but very compact, and we like that. We really do like the space saving. They have left me the cutest little message. I love that. I'm not going to read it out on camera, but it's just so sweet and thoughtful of them. I'll tell you what, the girls that run this company are so lovely. I really do like them. So this is what the bottles look like. They are 7ml bottles. I like the fact that we have got a colour indicator on the bottle here, so each bottle has a different colour for what colour you are going to find inside. As I said, they are a nude jelly gel. They've also got a name, number. They have got the ingredients, everything all in the back, which we like. They have got a 12-month expiry date on them, or best before date. And yeah, they look like really nice gel polishes. I really like the brushes on them, the nice little diddy sort of square-headed brushes. So don't hold loads and loads of products and just all thick and gloopy, like they're a really good consistency. And they feel like they're going to be really nice to work with. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick on some music. I'm going to quickly go through and swatch all of these. And I'll come back to you at the end with my thoughts and show you all of the swatches.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so there we go. I initially thought I was going to have to give these a couple of coats, but I tell you what, I've left it at one. I really don't feel like I need to give them any more coats. For a jelly gel polish collection, they've got quite a lot of pigment, and look at that variety of colours. Like, you really have got pretty much every nude colour you could possibly ever want there. And like these first two on the left here, how good would they be for a milk bath? Hi guys, quick step into the future. It has been a few days now since I filmed this review. I believe I mentioned about the white from this collection being good for milk bath nails. I've never ever done milk bath nails before, so I decided to give it a go, and I thought I'd just insert a clip and show you guys the finished result. I think the polish works really well for milk bath nails. I haven't done the best of jobs, but I have tried. I really struggled getting the flowers to adhere to the nail, but I'm quite happy with how it turned out, so I thought I'd pop on and just show you the results. But anyways, back to the video. And with these, because they have got quite a bit of pigment to them, these are going to last a while. You're going to get loads of use out of this collection because you really need to finish the coat. If you're just going for the jelly effect, you really do just need to finish the coat with these, because look at that range of colours just off one coat. Otherwise, like, looking at them, they're definitely buildable. You can build these up. If you want them to be more opaque, just whack on another layer or two and they're going to look incredible. They look incredible anyway like that, because I never used to like jelly gel polish. I've only recently got my first jelly gel polish collection. This is my second collection, and I didn't like jelly polish previously. I didn't see the point in it. I had no intentions of buying any, but I tell you what, it's grown on me. It really has grown on me. I love this little variety of colours here. The formula is really nice. They cure really nicely. I've just whacked them onto a lamp for 30 seconds and they're good to go. Obviously, you will need to cure them for a bit longer underneath a UV lamp, but I'm using an LED lamp. 30 to 60 seconds. They're good to go. These are really, really, really nice. Like I said, the formula is great. The bottles are really nice. The brushes are really nice. The packaging is spot on, because I really do appreciate a nice compact packaging rather than these almighty big boxes that you do get sometimes. I'm really happy with these. I feel like this brand is going to do really well. They are a new brand, but I feel like they're going to go real far in the nail community because they have got really, really, really nice products and they are so affordable. I will leave a link to this kit in my description box if you'd like to check it out. I will also link my previous video that I've done on this particular company also in my description box if you'd like to watch that. These are definitely up there on my recommendation list. You don't need to spend an absolute fortune on gel polish, because trust me, there's a lot of companies out there that are a lot more affordable and their gel polish is still really nice. These have really pleasantly surprised me. I wasn't too sure to begin with. I've seen the posts on Instagram and they did look really nice, and they really do look like how they were advertised as well, which I do like. I hate it when a company false advertises, but these are bang on. I really like this first one actually. I really like them all, but that first one, it's just so different. I really like it. But yes, thank you so much, SANNE. I'm still not sure how to pronounce their name. I feel so bad. But thank you so much for sending me this kit. I love you girls to pieces, and I really, really, really do appreciate your support. They are also now on Instagram. I will leave their Instagram also in my description box. Please go over and follow them and show them some love. But otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've tried to keep it short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!